Next challenge. How many waterfalls can we manage in 5 days?
Just going around Austria. We just got this big ass house, this van. And yeah, we're just going. We're just driving to Slovenia right now, right?
Right.
You can say it's like a magical.
Where are you going? Everyone is leaving.
Fucking cold.
Oh man. Crazy man. Next time. Oh man, that was crazy. I think 5 degrees, bro. I'm feeling pain in my joints and muscles. It's too fucking cold. Alright. So you see this man right here? It's one of the coldest waterfalls I have touched, filled in my entire life. Even David didn't go in there yet. Where's Andrea? What the fuck, man? What? Get on in there.
Yo, the challenge is to find a pool in the middle of the night where a waterfall is like flowing into it, and yeah, the challenge is that we can't see anything.
We're just in the middle of the forest and this guy climbs down the valley and goes into the water in the waterfall to experience nature at its fullest. Of course you have to be really careful. That's why he was the chosen one for this challenge. But I hope you guys enjoyed it as well as we did, because Michael, how was it for you? Just tell us a little bit.
It was very, very exciting. Because I didn't know what I have to expect, but it's the first time to go in the water. It's more the adrenaline. You forgot the cold and you are inside the water.
Okay.
Fucking awesome.
Mad respect.
Great that you are part of it.
Yeah, doable. Much better than last ones, yeah. Absolutely freezing, but it's lovely. Absolutely outstanding, excruciating beauty in a weird way. It's that the cold almost grips your nervous system, but if you just hang in there and just go through this, wow. Oh, damn, bro. Let's go. I can't describe it. Cliche but true. It was spontaneous, we didn't plan it. Got out there, touched the leech. Pretty disgusting. Slimy motherfuckers, man. Went under the waterfall and the time was just stopped. Anyways, great experience, and happy to find the water is a little bit warmer, man, because the waters before were like painful.
You never know when you're in the middle of nature what's awaiting you behind each corner, and when you're there and you know this place maybe from pictures, you realize in real life it's oftentimes so much more beautiful. So guys, let's be excited about the next place and let's see you there.
Wolfie, you won't believe this. Look at this sediment, man.
Wow. We're definitely entering Narnia here.
Check it out for yourself. Yo, what the? You getting this? Crazy.
You feel like you walk through the gateway to heaven. Bathing in waterfalls is definitely one of the coolest things we as human beings can do on this planet. I'm 100% sure that this is the case.
Yo, and that's it already. Wow, these 4 waterfalls were something very special for us. Let us know which waterfall you have already explored and is something very special for you. See you in the next video when it's all about go explore now again.